Hello friends and fellow flute enthusiasts. I wanted to address something today. I've heard from so many flute players asking for more time, wishing they had more time to play or that they dedicated more time to the flute. And while I can't give you more time, I wish I had more time on my hands. While I can't give you more time, I can show you some things that will make better use of your time when you're playing. I've put together some of my best resources in a course called the 7-Day Jumpstart. So each day I'll give you something to work on. Sometimes it's a new scale. Sometimes it's learning more about your flute, or it's a framework for improving, or learning how to set up equipment. But I give you some of these best resources, PDFs, videos, examples, and I've put them all in one place, and I'd love for you to partake in that. It's real easy. It's one thing a day, and it's given to you directly into your inbox. You log in and you have it right there. You can do it. And the reason I don't give it to you all at once like other courses is because I want you to spend time with it. I want you to have at least a day to just sit with this thing, this idea. But anyway, there's more information in the link below. I invite you to check that out. If you really want to get a jump start, maybe it's been a while since you picked up your flute, a year or two. It's been weird and wacky the last couple of years. Maybe you just need a little boost. Maybe you need a little jump start. So I invite you to partake in the 7-Day Jump Start with me, and I'll share some of my best tools with you. I look forward to seeing you there. Take care.